Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch, you will need to do a few things. You will need to have the watch paired with a phone, so the watch needs to be paired with a phone. It needs to be connected to the internet. It might be Wi-Fi, it might be mobile network. And the last thing you need to do is to copy Google account from your phone to your watch, so you can use Google services on your watch. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, it won't work. To connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, you need to open the settings. Oh, my bad. Settings. Come on, disappear please. Settings, so open the menu, tap on the settings icon, then tap on connections. And here in connections menu, you have Wi-Fi or mobile network. I recommend the Wi-Fi if you want to download some applications. So tap on Wi-Fi and make sure it is enabled, and then you can scroll down to the list of available networks. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, tap on password, enter the password, then tap on connect. And once you enter the correct password and tap on connect, the network will appear right here on the top in the Wi-Fi menu, and it will say connected under it, which means you have the internet connection. And to copy Google account to your watch, you need to go to settings, find the option called Google. Here you need to tap on accounts, and then if you have an account, Google account added to your watch, you will see it right here on the list. If you don't have any, you can tap on add account, and as you can see, that's why the watch needs to be paired with a phone, because it won't work if the watch is not paired with a phone. If you tap on this icon right here, it will open the pop-up on the phone, and basically here you can select the account, Google account, one of the accounts that are already like on your phone, and once you select it, you can tap on continue and confirm it with the password, and then you can basically wait until it's done copying, and after it's done, like I said before, it will appear right here on the list, which means that the account was added. And once you have the internet connection and account added to your watch, you can open the Play Store. So we can open the Play Store, tap on the Play Store icon to open the Play Store. And here we have different categories of apps and watch faces. So find the category you want to browse and then open it. You can also search directly for something by tapping on search right here at the top. You can basically type in the name and then tap on search to look for something more specific. I'm just gonna browse the category, for example, trending apps. And let's say I want to install the Yandex Music. I'm gonna tap on it. Here you have the description, screenshots, you have the reviews. So find anything you like about this app, or rather, I recommend to do some research about the app. And once you decide to install the application, tap on install. It will start downloading, and after it's done, you will see that the install button changed to open, and there will be an uninstall button as well. But let's wait until it's done installing. And here we have it. As I said before, the install button changed to open, and we have the uninstall button. And you can open the application right now by tapping on open, or if you open the menu on your watch and scroll down, at the bottom the icon will appear, and you can tap on it to open the application. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.